Hi, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 900-936-8238 and question number 6B is prepare a project on the profit maximization condition and process of firm acts based on the following headings. Headings are introduction, objectives and concept of TR and TC approach, presentation of schedule, graphical presentation, interpretation, etc. So this question is taken from lesson 23 and we have prepared all the answers according to the numbers and according to the word limits. So if you need a good marks in your assignments, you can get your assignments today. So call or message now. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.